So let's go ahead and solve B. So it asks, the manager estimates that each customer who asks for a water cup but fills it with a soft drink costs the restaurant 25 cents. Suppose that in the month of June, 3,000 customers asked for a water cup when placing an order. Use the confidence interval in part A to give an interval estimate for the cost of the restaurant in the month of June from the customers who ask for a water cup but fill the cup with a soft drink. Also, a side note: always take notes on the question so you can understand the question more better, and you have more a greater chance of getting the problem right and succeeding. So asks the question asks us to provide an interval estimate of the cost for the restaurant in the month of June. In part B, we are asked to use the answer from part A in order to find our final answer in part B. So let's go ahead and do that. So now that we have this given information, the next step which we have to do is convert the proportion values, the interval we got of the proportion values, into a number. So that's our next step. Let's go ahead and convert the proportions into numbers of people. So let's set variables equal to the proportion values. So let A equal 0.188 and let B equal 0.387. So now we have to multiply 3,000 and with the proportion values in order to find the number of people for both variables, with A representing the beginning of the interval and B representing the end of the interval. Also, remember to use the graphing calculator. It's there for your benefit. So the values we get is 564 for A and 1,161 people for B. And so we know that our range of people is between 564 and 1,161. And that's our range for people who get soft drinks. And so we can move on to our second step. So the second step is that we need to find an approximate interval that will give us an estimate of the cost for the restaurant. The calculation is actually really simple. All you have to do is multiply A and B respectively by 0.25, which is the cost for a person. So you can find the total cost for 564 people and 1,161 people. Okay, so now we have our final cost, our final values. So that's basically our interval, our 95% confidence interval for the estimate of the cost for the restaurant. And that would be between $141 and $290.25. So that would be our range. So for our conclusion, we can say that we are 95% confident that the true interval estimate cost for people getting soft drinks when buying water cups would be between $141 and $290.25. That would be our conclusion. So I want to say one quick note before I end this video, and that is that we always have to place the numbers in terms of 2 decimal places, so it should be 141.25. That was my mistake, sorry about that. So always remember to round to 2 decimal places, and please don't leave it as just a whole number, or else you would actually lose points on the AP exam. So just remember to add round to 2 decimal places always. And that's it for this video. So we're done with part A and part B. They're fully complete. We met all the requirements and we're good to go. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you liked it.